This is the same workout I showed before, but this time I'm using it on pick 3 so you can see how it works. So grab a pen and let's jump in. Welcome back. Today we're going to break down Ontario's pick 3 using the pick 4 setup. As I was putting this together, I stayed with the same setup I showed before, just applying it to pick 3. And the way it carries over is something I wanted to show you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to break it down step by step so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. For today's example, I'll be starting with Ontario's pick 3 hit 411, which came out on April 9th, 2026 to show you how April 10th hit. So let's dive in. Now the way that you start setting up this workout is by drawing 3 tic-tac-toe boxes on your sheet. This is what that looks like. Once you have your 3 tic-tac-toe boxes set up, you will now put all 3 digits from your previous hit going diagonal from the top left to the bottom right in the first tic-tac-toe box. Here's what that looks like. Now this part is a bit different. After you have put your 3 digits in the first tic-tac-toe box, you want to take the first digit in the first tic-tac-toe box and put that same digit in the second tic-tac-toe box. This is what that looks like. Now you want to take the second and third digit from the first box, flip those to their mirror digits and place them into the second tic-tac-toe box. This is what that looks like. After that, you want to mirror all the numbers from the first tic-tac-toe box and place those into your third tic-tac-toe box. Here's an example. Once you have mirrored all your numbers into the third box, you then go back to the first tic-tac-toe box and fill in the rest of the numbers. The way you do this is by adding all the way around, starting from the bottom right digit. Here's what that looks like. Now it's time to fill in the second tic-tac-toe box. This time, you will count backwards starting from the bottom right corner until all numbers are filled in. Here's what that looks like. Now that all your boxes are filled in, it's time to apply your date sum digits. The date sum we're using is the back one day, month, and day in the month date sum. Once you have that, you will circle those digits in each box. Here's what that looks like. Now again, remember when using this workout, you want to use it day for day and night for night. On April 10th, 2026 evening time, the number that hit was 696. Now look at this and see how it lines up with the workout. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. There is more in store where that came from. In Ohio, your video is still up next, which will drop tomorrow, so be on the lookout. Make sure to drop a comment and I'll catch you in the next one.